Here's your Storm Track 7 forecast.
I'm Storm Track 7 Chief Meteorologist Mark Schnackenberg. Temperatures tonight will drop down to the 60s. Pretty muggy here. A lot of moisture in the atmosphere. Not a whole lot of wind overnight. Just pick up a little bit here tomorrow, but all in all, wind relatively light, about 5 or 10, maybe 15 miles an hour out of the south. Very muggy conditions coming up here tomorrow. So any thunderstorms like today will produce a quick 1, 2, maybe 3 inches of rain each time we get a round of thunderstorms. So each thunderstorm could produce an inch or 2 of rain. Then the humidity level drops off. That means it's going to be a little bit more comfortable, and we'll stay in the 60s to about 70 through the early part of next week. Temperatures tomorrow will be in the 80s, and we'll have showers and thunderstorms from time to time. And the risk for severe weather late tonight will be across parts of eastern Iowa, but the storms will develop out to the west. And then as we get into the afternoon and evening hours across our southeastern counties, and then on Saturday, no severe weather to worry about, just a couple of morning showers. So the storms that we had this evening are moving eastward. Things quiet down as we get closer to midnight, but then after midnight, this is 2 o'clock in the morning, some thunderstorms off to the west. Those will ride on through the area. Some of those could have some damaging wind. And then here we are at 6 o'clock where things start to calm down a little bit. But some storms redeveloping. It could be as early as 10, 11 o'clock across our northern counties. This is lunchtime, 1 o'clock. Some of these storms could be severe. And then farther to our south, this is the ones that we'll be a bit more concerned about later in the day. Some of those storms could be severe as well. All of this should wind down about 10, 11 o'clock as we get into the day on Friday. A couple of showers and thunderstorms still possible overnight, and maybe a few showers in the morning, but the majority of the severe weather should be over by about 10, 11 o'clock on Friday. PM, that is. 60s for overnight lows tonight. Showers and thunderstorms late into the morning. Early and late day storms. It could be a couple isolated, even midday storms. So on and off throughout the day. 80s for highs and very humid. 7-day forecast includes a morning shower on Saturday and then dry conditions for the afternoon. Sunday and Monday, some more thunderstorms possible Tuesday and Wednesday. High temperatures will be in the 80s with the exception of Thursday. How about that? Highs could be in the upper 70s. Overnight low temperatures in the 60s, but a couple of mornings maybe down into the upper 50s.